peace of mind and comfort in your home, day in and day out. That's been the Isaac way for 64 years, and it will be the Isaac way for as long as we do business. Isaac Heating and Air Conditioning's mission is to provide quality, trusted installation and service to residential, commercial, and industrial customers at fair prices, and to respond to questions and problems immediately. We proudly serve the Syracuse area and have been in business since 1945. Our company is affiliated with the Better Business Bureau and employs NATE certified technicians, so you know you're in good hands. Give Isaac Heating and Air Conditioning a call today or visit us online for more information.